Okay. Today I am going to start a topic that is distance and displacement. So can you please explain what is distance and displacement in your own language? Can you explain what is
Sir,
distance?
sir, the measurement, no, the measurement, no, the place between one point and another point.
That is distance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is displacement?
Sir, I don't know the exact
Okay,
definition.
no worry. I am here just to do the interrogation between me and you. How will I know like how much you know? I know like you don't know the distance and displacement. That is why you are here. Clear? So I will
Yes,
explain
sir.
what is the meaning of distance and what is the meaning of displacement. It is very,
Yes,
very
sir.
important topic, and most of the students don't know what is the meaning of distance. Even in class 9, if you ask class 9 the student, he doesn't know. He or she doesn't know what is the meaning of distance. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
distance means, for example, you are going from, you are living in Chennai. Clear? For example, you are living in Chennai. This is your home. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And your home is in Chennai, and you are going to, for example, take any Andhra Pradesh. You want to go AP, Andhra Pradesh. Clear? AP. Then from your home, you are going with your car. You are moving on a road like this. You are going by car. Clear? Then you are taking some turn like this. You are going. Then like this. This is the movement of your car.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Again, you are going like this, and finally you are reaching to AP. Clear? This is what your car is doing. This is the
Yes, sir.
this is the this is taken by the car. But there is one more way. Clear? See it very, very carefully. It is very, very important. You can go by this way also.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So distance means what is
Yes,
the
sir.
actual path? Distance means length of actual path. Actually, you are going by this path. Do you see this red line?
Yes, sir.
So you are going by this path like this and finally reaches to AP. So length, this is the actual path. This is actual path, which your actual path is the path that is traveled by the your car. Clear? Actual path
Yes,
is
sir.
basically the path which is taken by your car. You are driving your car by this path. So what is distance? Distance is the length. It is the length of, what is distance? It is the length of actual path. Length of actual path. What is the length of this actual path? That is the meaning of distance. Path, you understand what is the meaning of path?
Yes,
Path
sir.
means like you can see your car is going on this
Yes,
red
sir.
line. This red line is known as path. And the length of this actual path is known as distance. Clear? So this is the initial place. This is the initial position
Yes, sir.
from where you started your journey. This is the initial location. And finally you want to reach at Andhra Pradesh. That is your final destination. Clear? Then you are going like this. On this red line, you are going like this. Clear? So length, the length of this actual path is known as distance. How much is it? Clear? So you can write
Yes, sir.
the definition also. Distance is defined as, I will write here, distance is defined as, distance is defined as the length of actual path covered by a particle. Particle means your car, okay, in
Yes,
motion.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Unit, what is the unit of distance in SI system?
Sir. Meters.
Unit is meter.
Meters.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now write down what is displacement. Displacement. Write down the meaning. Displacement is defined as the shortest distance between the initial and final position of a body, positions of a body. Full stop. It is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. Clear? It is a vector
Yes,
quantity
sir.
whose magnitude, comma, whose magnitude is equal to the length of the straight line path from the initial to final position. Initial to, very important, initial to final position, and the direction is along the straight line drawn from the initial to the final position, and direction is initial to the final position. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Write down note, important note. Write down the distance traveled. The distance traveled by a particle depends on the path traced by the distance traveled by a particle depends on the path traced by the particle, whereas the displacement of a particle in motion is independent of the path traced and depends on the initial and final position. Very, very important. Let's stop. Initial and final position of the particle. Note it. Have you written? Please write.
Yeah, no, sir.
Have you written?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, please write.
Of the actual path covered by
Hmm.
the length of the actual path covered by a particle in motion. SI unit is meters. Displacement. It is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of a body. It is a vector quantity whose magnitude is equal to the length of the straight line path from initial to final position and the direction. Sir, that note from first line I didn't write, sir.
Okay, please write now. First of all, complete direction. That is why I'm asking. Please read it. Have you written?
So,
You have written. Just read.
so
Read.
shall I read?
Yes, please read.
Distance, the length of the actual path covered by a particle in motion. SI unit is meter. Displacement, it is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of a body. It is a vector quantity whose magnitude is equal to the length of the straight line path from initial to final position, and the direction is along the straight line drawn from the initial to the final position. Note: the distance that traveled by a particle in a path is in a with a whereas the path traced by that particle, whereas the displacement of a particle in motion is independent of the path traced and depends on the initial and final position of the particle.
Okay, now see this very carefully. For example, if a particle means any object, your car is also a particle. Clear? Particle doesn't don't confuse. If I'm using this term particle means any object. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any object. Now, what is the meaning of distance and displacement is very important. For example, initially your car is at location A and you are going in this direction like this and again moving in this direction like this, A to B, then B to C, then finally you reaches D. Then how
Yes,
much?
sir.
This distance is 6 meter. This is 2 meter. This is 4 meter. Now if I ask, this is the initial position. This is initial position. This is final position. Clear? I means initial, F means final. My car
Yes, sir.
started from A, it reaches to B, then B to C, then C to D. Then what is the meaning of distance? Distance means Distance. Distance means it is the length of actual path. So this is my actual path. This red, this is my actual path. Actual path. Clear? On which my object is moving like this. A to B, then B to C, then C to D. Finally, I reaches at D. Clear? So what is the
Yes,
length?
sir.
What is the length of this actual path? It will be AB plus BC plus CD. This is distance. 6 plus 2 plus 4. That is
Equal to
12
12.
meter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now
No,
what
sir.
is this? What is the meaning of displacement? Somebody asking what is displacement? Displacement.
Sir, the shortest distance between initial pop and final position.
Then how will you decide which one, which path will be shortest? How will you decide?
Sir, A to D.
Now why is it A to D? Why not A to C? Why A to D? Why not A to C?
Because final position is D.
Final position, I agree. Then path. Which path will be? The path can be curve. Clear?
Sir,
So
no,
my
sir. It is a straight line.
why it is a straight line? And what is the direction of this straight line?
Um,
Listen,
sir, it,
you're right. Let me explain this. A is the initial position, D is the final position. In order to find the displacement, always connect initial with final like this. Always connect initial and final position like this. Just join straight line path. Just join
yes,
initial and final position like this. Next step is what? This is initial position, this is final position. Then what is the direction of displacement? Because displacement is a vector quantity, and you will learn what is the meaning of scalar and vector quantity in your later chapter. Clear?
yes,
So
sir.
displacement is having certain direction, like velocity is having certain direction. Clear? Similarly,
Yes, sir.
displacement is also having same direction. See, what is the direction of displacement? It is from initial to final. This is the
Yes, sir.
direction of displacement from initial to final. This arrow sign indicates direction of displacement, that is from A to.
D.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the how much body displace? Then what is the length of this path? AD. This AD comes out to be how much?
Um, sir, the distance.
Yes, what is the distance? You will calculate this. For example, this AD comes out to be some value like D. I don't know what is this. So this AD value is, for example, D. So this D is the displacement. This is displacement. Clear? What
Yes,
is the
sir.
direction? What is the direction of displacement? It is from A to D, like this. You will write from initial to final position.
Yes, sir.
Because I am moving from A to B, then B to C, and C to D. Where is my final destination? D is my final destination. A is my
Yes, sir.
initial position. Though initial to final, displacement direction is from initial to final. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Now I
No,
will
sir.
ask. I will ask one question. You should write.
Yes, sir.
Simple question I am asking. Write down. First of all, tell me a basic question I'm asking. Very, very basic question. If a particle is at A, it is moving like this in a semi-circular path from A to B. This is the
Yes, sir.
center. This is radius. I want to
Yes,
know,
sir.
first of all, what is the distance? What is distance? First question I am asking to you. What is distance and displacement? Tell me.
Sir,
Distance
distance is the
and displacement. How much?
sir distance is sir. You want definition, sir?
Value. I'm asking. When particle is going from A to B, A is the final position, A is the initial position, and B is the final position. I want to know what is the distance, what is the displacement. Remember,
Sir,
distance depends on path, while displacement does not depends on the path. Clear?
sir distance. Sir, distance is the semicircle, sir. The length,
Semicircle. How much?
sir.
See, distance means length of actual path. This is the path traveled like this. This is the path traveled by a particle. Did you see?
Yes, sir.
This is the path traveled by a particle. This is actual path. If this is actual path, then how much this length? What is the length? This is perimeter. This is perimeter now.
Yes, sir.
And this is what is the perimeter of semicircle? Pi r.
IR.
Clear? Now, if I ask what is
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning of displacement here, how much displacement? Just take initial. Where is initial? A. A is my initial. Final is B. Only see initial and final. Clear?
Yes, sir.
A is my initial, B is final. Don't see what is the path because displacement does not depends on path. Clear? Simply join initial and final like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I want to know what is displacement. This is R. This is also R. What is the displacement? Displacement, how much? Displacement is shortest distance. Shortest distance will be 2R. Don't see
Yes,
the
sir.
path. Don't see. Clear? Then
Yes,
what is the
sir.
direction of displacement? Direction of displacement is from A to D. How will you draw the arrow? Arrow will be drawn like this. A to B. Direction
A
of
to B.
displacement is from A to B. From initial to final position like. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So I will share one more link. You please join from that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because it is going to end.
Sir.
Give me the answer. Okay. For example,
Yes, sir.
in this question, I will ask this question. Please write. If a particle is moving on this path, if a particle, see, this particle is starting from A and moving on a circular path like this and come back to the same location, center, circular path, remember, R. Then what is distance? What is displacement?
Sir, distance is pi r, sir.
Distance will be pi R.
Sir,
Displacement,
sir, 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 displacement is 0.
very good. Distance is how much? See, actual path, length of actual path. It is starting from A. See this? It is starting from A and finally reaches to A. How much? What is the length of this actual path? It is 2 pi r. Perimeter of circle. Clear?
Sir, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you.
Hello? Actually, your internet connection
Yes,
is
sir.
not okay. Maybe because of that. Tell me, is it clear? Distance is 2 pi r. How is it?
Sir, I can't hear you.
Hello? Please check your internet connection. I think it is not okay. Am I audible? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? A. And then
Yes,
it
sir.
is moving at B. Finally, it reaches C. 4 meter, 3 meter. Then tell me what is distance and displacement in this case. What is distance and displacement?
Sir,
Tell me.
distance is 7 meters, sir.
Very nice. Displacement. Tell me
Sir, the length between A and C.
what is it? Distance you are telling, right? It is 7 meter. Displacement. What is direction of displacement, by the way?
Sir, it is A to C, sir.
Very nice. Then first of all, in order to calculate the displacement, just join initial and final position like this. Direction
Sir, how
displacement
can
is
you
from
find the length?
what?
Sir, can you find the length?
Yeah, I'm finding, just I'm telling like how to find the displacement. Just join the initial and final position like this. Then I'm asking like, it is very easy. It is a right angle triangle. You know what is a hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. You know this?
Yes,
Here
sir.
hypotenuse is AC square is equal to perpendicular. What is perpendicular? This is 3. 3
3
is
centimeters.
perpendicular. Clear? And what is base? Base is 4. Then what is
Base is
AC
4.
square? AC square is
7
25.
centimeters.
AC is 5
Oh,
meter. Understood?
yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Distance, displacement clear?
Yes, sir.
Now write down one question. This is a very good question, IIT based question. Write down a horse. Write down this question. A horse is tied to a rope of length 5 meter and the other end of the rope is tied to a pole. To stop, find the displacement and the distance traveled by the horse in the following cases. Following cases: first, when the horse makes half revolution along a circular path. Next, when it makes one full revolution Third, when it makes 3 by 4 of the revolution. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In these cases, first of all, draw the diagram. A horse is tied to a rope of length 5 meter and the other end is tied to a pole. This is the pole where horse, this is the horse. Horse is tied with this rope. This is a pole. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And the length of the rope is 5 meter. His horse is here. Horse is here. Understood? This is horse. Horse. Clear? Now they are saying when the
Yes, sir.
horse is making half revolution along a circular path. Half revolution means it is starting from, it is going like this, half. Clear?
Yes,
Half
sir.
revolution, half. Then can you explain? Can you tell me this is 5? This is also 5. Half revolution. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then in this half revolution, what is distance? Distance is
2
pi
pi
r,
r. Pi
2
r by
pi r,
half.
2 pi r by r. 2.
Half.
Half me length. What is the meaning of distance? Distance means length of actual path. Horse is going along this path. Clear? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the actual path. This is the actual path. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please give me 1 minute as one call is coming. Okay. Meanwhile, you solve. Okay. Listen.
Yes, sir.
Please solve. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Now, can you solve other parts like, see, first part, it is clear distance is pi r. What is displacement?
Sir, 10.
Very nice. 2 into r, that is 2 into 5, 10 meters. And distance is pi r. Pi r means 3.14 multiply 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Now, next part they are asking when it makes one full revolution like this.
Yes, sir.
Then in this case, is 5. What is distance? Distance means length of actual path. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me what is the actual path length? Here, chord started from here. It is going like this and come back to the same location. Then distance is 2 pi
Sir, 2
r.
pi r.
Pi is 3.14. R is 5. You can solve. Displacement is,
15.7.
yeah, displacement is 0 because you came back to the same location. Initial and final positions are same. Displacement is 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
in the third case, they are saying 3 by 4th of the revolution. Now, what is the meaning of 3/4? For example,
Sir,
if this
3
is,
by 4 into the revolution.
yeah, just see it very carefully. If I divide this entire into 4 parts, if I ask how much is it? If I ask if a course is going from A to B, then A to B means how much revolution? 1/4 of total. Clear?
Sir, total is 31.4.
So how much? If I ask A to B, how much? It is 1/4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And if it is going from A to C, A to C, how much?
2 4.
Half.
2 4.
Half of total. Half of total revolution. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If I ask
Yes,
from
sir.
A to D, like this, then it is half plus 1/4. This is how
Yes, sir.
much?
3/4.
Yes. You can add also. A to D
Yes,
means
sir.
half you run, then you run 3 by 4 of total. Not 3/4, it is 1/4. How much is it? 3 by
3/4.
4 of total. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In fraction you already learned in class, basic mathematics. So they are saying when it
Yes,
makes 3 by 4th of revolution, then horse is starting from here. It is going
3 by 4.
and reaching here. Reaching, finally it reaches here. So B,
Yes, sir.
A. Then this is the center. This is 5 meter. This is 5 meter.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Then I am
Yes,
asking,
sir.
this is also 5 meter. Then what is the length of this actual path? This is pi r.
Sir, pi r into 3 by 4.
This is pi r plus, how much this? From here to here. It is 1
Sir,
by
3.
4 of total. Total is 2 pi r. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So pi r plus pi r by how much?
So, sir, pi r equal to pi r by pi r
3 by 2 pi
by
r.
2.
So this is the distance. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So distance
No,
is
sir.
3 by 4 of pi r. What is pi? pi is 3.14 and r is 5 meter. Understood?
Yes, sir.
What is displacement?
Sir,
Displacement.
displacement is sir A to B directly.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. It is starting from A and finally it reaches at B. Initial position, this is final. So simply join the initial and final like this. So a direction will be from initial to final. You will draw the arrowhead like this. Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
So what is this? Simply A to B. If this is 5, this is 90-degree angle, this is 5, this is C. A, B. I want to know this AB. This is 5 meter, 5 meter, this center. Then AB will be AB square equal to Pythagoras theorem because it is 90 degree right angle triangle. Base square
Hypotenuse.
plus perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
How much AB? AB is 5 root 2.
AB is.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So today's lecture is finished. Make sure you practice well distance and displacement question. I will give you more
Yes, sir.
question. Clear? Don't worry. I will give
Yes, sir.
more question for practice. This topic is very, very important. Distance and displacement. Many students is having more confusion. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Distance means
Yes,
simply length of actual path. Whatever path is traveled by a particle, it is the length of that path. Clear?
yes, sir.
And what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. Then first of all, check where is my initial position, where is my final position. Then next step, join the initial and final position by a straight line. Next,
Yes, sir.
what is the direction of displacement? Direction of displacement is from initial to final position. Just arrowhead. Always draw the arrowhead from initial to final. Why?
Yes,
What is the need of this arrowhead? Why am I talking about the direction?
Direct.
Because displacement is a vector quantity.
Yes,
Here
sir.
you will learn this vector scalar later.
Yes, sir.
You must specify direction in case of displacement.
Yes, sir.
Here, while in case of distance, no need.
Yes, sir.
But in case of displacement, if I ask AB is equal to 5 root 2, what is the direction? Direction is from A to B. You should write. This is the direction. If you are not writing the direction, then your answer is wrong. Because it is
Yes,
this
sir.
5 root 2. You should give with direction because displacement is direction. Direction you must not forget.
Yes, sir.
Here. So thank you so much. Please take care and
Yes, sir.
enjoy. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Happy?
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow I will start maybe tomorrow from the next class I will start speed, acceleration. But make sure
Yes,
try
sir.
to solve as many as question I will give. Don't worry. I will
Yes,
give
sir.
many numericals for your practice, but make sure try to practice. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, take care. Always keep a smile on your face.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye bye. Good night.